Finishing transforms ordinary fabric into comfortable, attractive, durable textiles ready for everyday use worldwide. Textile finishing has two major categories: mechanical dry finishing and chemical wet finishing processes. Calendaring applies heat and pressure, producing smooth, glossy surfaces and decorative embossed textile patterns. Sanforizing pre-shrinks fabrics, ensuring garments maintain size after repeated washing and everyday wearing.
Raising creates warm, fluffy surfaces, making blankets and flannel fabrics softer and more insulating.
Suiting creates velvet-like peach surfaces, improving softness, comfort, insulation, and premium fabric appearance beautifully. Shearing removes loose fibers, delivering cleaner surfaces and superior textile finishing quality for consumers. Heat setting permanently stabilizes polyester fabrics, preventing distortion during future washing and garment manufacturing. Chemical softeners improve flexibility, comfort, drape, and luxurious hand feel after textile processing completes.
Crease-resistant finishes reduce wrinkles, helping garments remain neat after washing and regular daily use.
Flame-retardant finishes improve safety by slowing ignition and reducing dangerous fire spread significantly. Water and oil repellents protect fabrics against stains, moisture, and accidental liquid spills effectively. Antimicrobial finishes reduce bacteria growth, controlling odors while improving hygiene and textile durability simultaneously. Anti-static finishes minimize electrical charge, making synthetic fabrics safer and more comfortable for users. Biofinishing uses natural enzymes, removing fuzz and pilling while protecting the environment efficiently today. Plasma and nanotechnology create sustainable multifunctional fabrics with advanced protective performance and efficiency. Quality inspectors detect GSM variation, skewing, shrinkage, and finishing defects before shipment begins carefully. Artificial intelligence and smart factories optimize finishing quality while reducing waste and energy consumption. Modern textile finishing delivers sustainable, high-performance fabrics, powering fashion and technical industries worldwide every day.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.